Right, good morning. I'm here now at the hotel. So I had the best night with my friend Nicole at Disney Springs last night, our makeup party. I will have to give all the details on it later, but it was just so much fun. It was so nice just getting to catch up with her and her husband Jim. We had a really good time, so then they dropped me back off here at the hotel, and I got to come in and see the room. So we're in the tennis section, which is really cool because my mom, that's what she wanted. When I then said, I was like, oh, what section do you think we're gonna be in? Because each one of like the kind of areas is themed to a different sport, and you played tennis in high school, so yeah, you were like you wanted the tennis section.
It's cute. We have to go see the main court up here.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do right now, is go just walk around and kind of look at all the big icons and everything that they have here. Late last night and was kind of just like seeing a couple things. It was kind of dark, but now we're gonna get to actually walk around and
it was dark when we came in too, because the room wasn't ready when we first got here. So by the time we came in, I didn't get to see all the icons in the daytime.
So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go exploring right now and see all the things. But yeah, last night was super fun, and I'll have to show also the products that I got. Like I had said earlier, I was looking for a new foundation, so I got that and like a primer and a translucent like setting powder. And I did the foundation this morning and the setting powder, and I really like it so far. So definitely a really neat experience. Like I said, I'll have to give a whole proper ending to that video, but we had a great time. So okay, so this is the main part of the tennis section. It looks like we have big tennis rackets, tennis balls everywhere.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie are playing baseball
on the tennis court, and Donald's mad at him for it. Well, that's adorable.
As are the umpire chicks up there.
Yeah, that's fun. That's really cool. Aww. Here we go. Here is Huey and Dewey, I guess, maybe? I'm not sure which one is which. Someone leave a comment if you know like which one is which bird. Like Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Yeah, picture time. Let's go. Alright, so Huey, Dewey, and Louie were down here. And now we have Donald mad that he can't play tennis on his tennis court. So we've been exploring the tennis section and taking all the pictures. This place is really cute. I just love all the kind of big icons, and we keep noticing like different details. Like my mom just said, they have like the 30, 15, 15 all, well 15, like all of these details. It's really cool. It's just fun to walk around and like we're getting so many pictures. Look how gorgeous and bright blue the sky is. This is the time to be taking pictures in Disney. So we're just getting all the pictures of like the different icons around here. It's really fun.
Stairwells are tennis ball.
Oh yes, I noticed that last night when we were walking in. It was dark, but I was like, I think those are tennis ball cans. Let's go look at them. And then also I like that the pool area is themed to surfing. So actually like all the area like around the pool is like a boardwalk, and it's very like tropical and nautical. That's right over here. So we have a good location being in the tennis section. It's pretty close. We're like the backside of this building around here, and then you just come out. Here's like the main Mickey in the middle, kind of like the hub area. You go right down this way where the surfboards all are. This is the main pool, and then just beyond that is the lobby. So I would say it's a very good location.
All of them I'd say are kind of very centrally located.
Right.
At any one of these.
Right. That's what.
A quick walk back to the main lobby and the food court and all that stuff, laundry and pool.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at the big whistle.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, let's walk over that way. I want to see the difference. This is the tennis ball can we were talking about. That's the stairwell. If you're upstairs, and if you're in the surfing section, it's the lifeguard stand. The stairwell.
That's right.
I love that. Yeah, the surfing section would be cool to be in too. Yeah, let's go look at the big whistles in the basketball section. And their stairwell is a megaphone. We got Aerosmith happening at the pool. So what are those giant whistles? Are they stairs as well? Oh no, it's just like a big icon for here. It's cool. Oh, the palm trees and the basketball. That's so cool. Dad would like this section because he played basketball in school. That was like his sport. So this is so cool.
Those people decorated the door.
Oh,
today.
Sarah's 30th birthday. Oh. We saw, me and my dad went to the food court last night and we tried, oh yeah, last night we tried the cookie dough that they have here. It's like a non-raw cookie dough. We had seen, this is I think the only all-star resort that has it, the only Disney resort that has it, and so we really wanted to try it. We had it last night. It seriously tastes exactly like cookie dough.
Which is our favorite part of the cookie.
I always say I would rather eat the cookie dough than the actual cookie. It's so good.
So it's healthy for you. I have to get that recipe. I have to learn to replicate that. That could be dangerous, keeping it in the house.
It was so good. So that's what I had last night. But yeah, when me and him walked down to the food court last night, we saw someone else had their door decorated like Elsa. So it's cool to see what people get into here at the Disney Resort. Here are the basketballs. That just, look at the sky right now. And the weather is so perfect. Me and my mom were just saying a couple days from now, they're calling for snow back home. Like what? And we're in shorts and t-shirts here. It's amazing.
This is, if you want to take this is a good one.
Picture-wise.
Look, picture.
Oh, yes. So this is this giant Mickey. I noticed this last night when I was coming in. This seems to be kind of like the hub. This is just like directly past, there's the pool. We're kind of lined up with the pool, and where you see that star in the back, that's the main lobby. So then you have this, and this kind of serves as like the general hub, I guess, and then all the other rooms go off of here, this area. You get this big Mickey with the All-Star Resorts sign in the background. Alright, so now we're going into the surfing section, which is the section that is surrounded by the main pool, so it's all nautical themed, and this is like you're walking on a boardwalk. Pretty cool. I like this. And all the tropical plants, palm trees. Here was the people that they put Elsa on their door and have their whole window decorated with Let It Snow and some snowflakes, little snowmen. Such a cute idea. And this is cool. It's like a big shark's fin. And all the surfboards. And here is the pool. And I really like, look at the ground here, it looks like sand. We got like all the sand dollars and starfish, different shells imprinted into the ground as you walk along. We have the Surf's Up bathhouse. Oh, it's a guest laundry. Look how nice this pool looks. Oh, it's perfect swimming weather too. What's it feel like, Mom? It's beautiful. I have to stick my foot in. Oh. Okay, so that pool, it felt so good. It was so inviting that we're like, okay, new plan. We were gonna go right to the park, but we're going to go get our suits on and we're gonna spend like an hour here in the pool, and then I think go to Epcot for lunch today and hang out, and that will be our plan. So I'm really excited because that felt so good. Oh my god.
We better take advantage of it now, because
yeah, back
Pennsylvania,
home.
no way.
No way, no way at all. Like, this is crazy. It just is, it is so warm. It's like summer weather and perfect temperature, perfect everything. So yeah, we're getting in the pool right now. Telling him, put your suit on. We're going into the pool now. Awesome, I'm excited. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're going to go back to the room, and we know that we can unlock the door with our magic bands. We did that last night, but we wanna see, there's now a new feature on My Disney Experience that will let you unlock the door using just your phone, like using the just the My Disney Experience app. There's like an unlock the door thing, so we're like really curious about it, and so we're gonna do it right now on camera and see if it works. So you're going to get to experience this with us. So we're gonna get into My Disney Experience, and yeah, this will be pretty cool if it does, because then it's just like a good option should you ever leave your room and not have your magic band on you or anything. Like, that was me and my dad last night. We had come in and kind of made like a last minute decision to go out and get a snack at the food court, so then we both didn't have our magic band on and we're banging on the door for my mom to come get us. So knowing that we could use this could be kind of cool. It's just there's another option for you.
We're down this way.
Oh, we're this way. Okay. I'm still learning my way around this place. There's all of this part starts to look.
Oh wait, I think are they in our room? No, not yet.
Which room is that?
The next one, right? 26.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, oh, and you can see on your, I'll have to show this later too, you can see when the next bus will arrive, if you like go to your reservation, what your resort is, so that's pretty cool. Almost like what they have posted out there for you. All right, so right here, so here's our resort reservation unlock door. I'm gonna hit this. Something didn't go right. when you try to register your device. What?
All right.
Again. Do I need to stand closer to the? Try again. Call guest services?
Oh, forget it.
Okay, this isn't working.
Okay, so that was one of the best decisions. We went and we just hung out by the pool, and we were in the pool. We just swam a couple laps around. We were just relaxing. It was so nice. The water felt amazing. It was so perfect. So we did that, and now we actually were able to make a reservation over at a place that we've never been before. We are going to Ale and Compass at the Yacht Club. Is it Yacht Club or Beach Club? We think it's Yacht Club. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Yacht Club, but I'll update you if we find out differently. But I think it's Yacht Club, so we're gonna go ahead, take the bus over to Epcot, walk over to Yacht Club, have lunch there, and then I think spend some time at Epcot before going to Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios, yep.
Yeah, for our fast passes that we have there. So it's gonna be a fun time. I'm looking forward to trying this place, this Ale and Compass. It's supposed to have a lot of like seafood, like I saw on the menu. They have like a New England lobster roll and really good sounding food items there. So I'm looking forward to it. I love seafood from the pictures. Everything looked awesome. And I think this is a relatively new restaurant, or maybe they just updated it or something. It seems like a newer place. So I'm looking forward to getting to try it out for the first time. So it's gonna be all of our first time. We're excited. Here's a little overview again of we're in the tennis section. This is a rare sight that you will very, very rarely see because there's usually always a festival happening in Epcot. But look at this, just the day after Food and Wine, they've already taken out all of the Food and Wine display that they had in the front, and they haven't yet transitioned it to Christmas yet. It seems very quiet in Epcot today. A lot of the booths are kind of taken out. Well, some of them are still up, but I think it's just the fact there's not a lot of people and stanchions around. Oh, look at these Disney ducks, so cute.